Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to The Money Way. And today we're going to be talking about the top 5 investment trust stocks that you can buy on your brokerage today. Now, all these are either ones that I have had in the past, or I'm looking to add to my portfolio. And let's go ahead and get right to it. The reason why I like these trust funds more than basically any other category stock is because these maintain a steady price and they give out good dividends. That's their main payout is through dividends. Now you can see, for example, RWT Redwood Trust has been hovering about $16, $17, even $18 at one point for the last. This is the 5-year chart with barely any ups and downs except for this one right here, which was a pretty big one, but it pretty much shot all the way back up in a couple days. So these ones have been impacted greatly by Corona because obviously people don't have that much money to put in right now, and through other people's money, that's how they pay themselves, how they run their company, through investments from other people. Now these stocks in the last month have been performing. This is not my favorite, but it's a pretty good one. If you look at the dividend yield, 16.87%. That is way more than S&P. That is way more than whatever blue chip stocks you have. That is crazy. Go ahead on the next one. 2, Harbor's Investment. This one's also been kind of steady. It was facing around $8, $9, and then it performed. I'm guessing it hit a good earnings, something like that. Been hovering about $15, $16 since then. Also, great dividend yield. For some reason, the price earnings ratio is 0. That's how Robinhood goes. Robinhood is just made by tweakers. It doesn't make any sense. But these, I forgot to mention, these have great analyst ratings. So it's obviously not just me that is saying to buy these. These are all-out performers. Next one on the list, and personally not my favorite. This one's really stable, around $7, $8. You can get a good 3x. Also, on all of these, you can get either 2x's, 3x's, 4x's, whatever you want, depending on which one you get. But obviously, if you have the chance to get a 4x, it's probably because it wasn't that stable of a company. So you really want to look into that. MFA Financial, 180,000 people have this on Robinhood. That is crazy. That is like half the population. Like, oh my, you guys have to look into this. Like, the dividend yield, 30.65%. That is crazy. You can get a good 3x off this. And for some reason, the ratings haven't been looking too good, and I'm guessing because it's been pretty much in a downgrade. It's not performing as well as some of these other ones. It's been pretty stable. So I mean, if you want to hop in, do that on your own discretion. I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my opinion. Next one, and in my opinion, the most stable one with a dividend yield of 20 is NRZ. A very popular one, new residential investment with great analyst ratings. This one can give you like a 2x. It's been hovering around $16, $14, $15 for the past 5 years. So definitely something. Oh, it's an all-out performer. People have been hating on the name. People have been giving it horrible estimates. It doesn't care about the estimates. It just does what it wants. But anyways, all-out performer. This is a really stable one. I'd probably want to look into this one the most out of all these because it obviously was impacted the least. It had the biggest rebound. All-out great stock. Now my favorite on the list, IVR, Invesco Mortgage Capital. I made around 100% play on this. This is from a new purchase I did because after I sold, I took some profits after the dip. I made around 100% play on this. That's because around a month ago, it was hovering around 280. Good news came out. Although the trust funds were doing great. That huge rally last week. Yeah, that really did well for this company. And this one, 38.3% dividend yield. Great price earnings ratio. Great popularity. Unfortunately, this one for some reason doesn't have a ratings, but analyst ratings, but it has great earnings, even estimated to not do that bad. It's still profitable. This company is overall looking great, and I'm definitely looking to add more of this to my portfolio. Now, these are the trust funds. Definitely look into these. These can provide great payouts, great dividends, and overall multiply you. So yeah, look into it. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and have a great day.